How to fix the issue called Facebook story not showing in your Facebook application. So for this you just need to go on the Play Store. These are the only ways how to fix any application or any bug happening on the application, because this is a bug, not a application's problem or not a your mobile phone problem. This is internet or maybe server's problem here. So for this you just need to go on app information and update your application from Play Store. Then you have to go on the app information here and clear all the cache, all the data here. After that you just have to go on the permissions option and allow all the permissions permitted here, like calendar, contacts, sharing, microphone, and all the permissions are able to allow. So after that you just have to refresh the Facebook application or maybe restart your mobile phone, and then you can access to the all of stories, or all stories will be shown in your Facebook. Now you can see the stories are showing on my Facebook account. So thank you so much for watching the video. Please subscribe this channel if you liked.